Hi there, Amanda here, and this is the first of my video diary series. And why am I doing this? Well, in 2 weeks' time, I'll be going up to Lincolnshire to my sister's house, where nearly all of my belongings are in her loft. And at that point, we will be packing suitcases to go to India, to Goa in India, and we'll be there for 5 months. And I just wanted to share my preparation, because there isn't that much, but still there is some, and my pre-journey and my post-journey to India with you. And that way I might be able to get some tips and hints and tricks from my wonderful Facebook audience. So today is just marking the starting point. Here I am in our room that we have been living in, excuse all the glary lights, since around about the end of August, beginning of September. Now, this room is where, when we left Leeds, we moved to straight away. We came here for a couple of days, went to India for a few months, came back here. And this is where we've been living for a good few months now. This is our bed, and then this is our belongings. I have some books on the bookshelf, windowsill. We have a printer. We have on these shelves here bits and pieces, manuals, because we've been doing teacher trainings. What else have we got? Oh yeah, mini rig system. Over here is my desk with some bits and pieces, my Mac, and what else is on here? My glasses, my iPad. Oh, let's not forget our box of herbal teas. My trusty guitar, which some of you might not know I play. And our wardrobe. This is a wardrobe for 2 people. I've got a few bits and pieces in the cupboard down there. Not much, about a handful of t-shirts. And then here, chest of drawers. So that is all of David and our belongings. David and mine. I don't know how I'm supposed to say that, and I'm an English teacher, or I was. That is all of our belongings. Our meaning David and mine. That's something like that. But that's it. This room contains everything that we have with us at the moment, and the rest is in my sister's loft. So like I said, in 2 weeks' time, we'll be trotting off to Lincolnshire. It's a bit bright under there, ready to go on our travels to India. So all of these bits and pieces, and the bits in the toilet, you don't need to see those bits. They'll be packed in the car. What we're not taking to Goa will be put back in the loft, and out of the loft will be things that we are taking to Goa with us. And that's about it. And what kind of preparations have I done for this huge trip? I'll show you. I've got my sun hat, and this actually isn't mine, this is David's, and sun cream for his head. And that's about it, because I don't really know what else to prepare. We'll just throw a few things in a suitcase and off we'll go. What I found is, as long as I've got my this is quite sad, but as long as I've got my MacBook with me, my iPad and my phone, I don't need a lot else. And I didn't think I'd turn into one of those people, but there you have it. So there's my day one. This is our starting point. This is what we've been living with, our minimal living and our travelling around living for quite some time. And we'll be living with even less for another 5 months soon in Goa. And I just wanted to share with you what it looks like to be living with very little to go to living with even less, and to make the journey from here over to Goa. I'll take you all with me, and along the way I might be asking you for any hints and any tips that you can give me, and what would you do, and so on and so forth. But all I've got to say today is see you in day 2's video later on in the week. Bye for now.